I wish she just assigned like a lot more work instead of just like one packet.
Yeah.
I wish she assigned like 2 packets, so like it gives me more stuff to like know. You know what I mean? Like I have more chances of learning it, I guess, if that makes sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll probably give that a feedback if she does one. I'll just put, give us some more work. It would help.
Yeah. And even ask her, you know?
Danny, you're still alive.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Hell yeah.
Somebody already died. It's just us two, man.
Okay.
I gotta stay focused. Gotta get out of here.
Somebody's hurting real bad.
Nancy sensed me! You kidding me? Freaking Nancy, man! She sensed me! Oh!
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm at the right shed next to stables. And she has everything all trapped, man. Oh boy. This is gonna be a bad game.
This looks promising.
I don't think I'm gonna make it out, man. Everywhere is moving trapped and I have nowhere to go.
Okay. Finally. They're gone.
I'm opening left generator door.
Where are the others?
Okay.
Stay alive.
Alright.
They are coming though.
This'll slow
Maybe
you
not.
down.
Okay, I opened it. They have that thing where it's hard to
Open
lock,
stuff. Bummer.
open stuff. Yeah.
Seems safe.
I'm gonna try to go for slaughterhouse door. Maybe we can buy some
Okay.
time. Maybe yeah.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I got sensed.
As long as you unlock it in time, it's open.
Yeah,
That'll have one extra
I've
place for them to check.
Yeah, I've unlocked it. They're coming now.
It's much too quiet.
How many?
They can't be far.
I don't know. Leatherface is over here too. Nancy and Leatherface.
I unlocked slaughterhouse door. Left door.
Okay.
But it's only a matter of time before they no, they already discovered me.
It's just Sissy that's over there, just letting you know.
Yeah, she can destroy me.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't mess around with Sissy. Okay, so now they have a little bit more extra places to check. This is good for us. Bummer it's just us two, but it's okay.
They know where I was.
You know what level Grandpa is, by the way?
3.
Okay, I'm gonna go stab him. We're gonna buy some time, okay? I'm gonna buy some time. We're gonna make it out. I know it. I know it to be true. Do you know where Grandpa's located?
Middle, outside.
Ouch. That's a hard
Yeah,
spot.
it's a hard one.
Okay, I'm in well again. I stabbed him, so he's back at level 0. Let's hope they don't come down here and wreck me.
I know how to raise 'em.
Better than nothing.
Where is it exactly you think you're going?
Oh!
You okay?
Nope.
Please don't die. That's all I ask.
I might die. I'm running from Sissy right now, and I'm hurt by her.
Where are you running to?
Whatever. Slot middle door.
Oh boy.
Oof. Okay, I'm jumping down well. Okay. I'm good, but I'm hurt bad. I have fuse on me, I just gotta find it.
Yeah. Where are you at? Tell me now.
I'm in basement.
We're in basement.
The workshop.
I don't know where that's at.
The furnace.
There you are.
truck.
Stand still.
How
Stand
about
still.
Leland!
You're a Julie? What the heck?
Goodness, you're here.
Yeah,
The heck, man?
thank you.
Uh-huh. You probably don't want to be around me because I'm a loud Leland.
I found fuse. We'll go for it. Big. That's big.
Yeah.
Oh, I got spotted though. Okay, I'm gonna
As long as
open
you
it.
make
I'll
some
put
moves.
fuse. Hopefully I open it. I'm gonna open it. Josh, get ready to leave. The sacrifice is for you.
Fuse. Okay. Holy crap. Okay.
There, it's open for you.
Nice.
Now I may not make it there, but I will try.
I'll make sure you make it. Get over here. If
No, I don't know if I can make it in time.
you will, I trust you. I'm not leaving as long as you leave with me.
I'm trying.
You're leaving with me.
Numb the pain.
If you don't leave, I don't leave either.
Okay. I'm close. I'm going through the little cracks.
No, you didn't make
Oh
it.
yeah, you see, I'm not gonna make it.
Oh, he's here.
You see me? I'm good.
Think.
Ah, Nancy's on me now. And Leatherface.
Uh-oh.
Seriously?
Where are you going now?
Slaughterhouse. I'm squeezing through stuff though, so they can't get me.
Okay.
I'm dead. GG's. I haven't seen Hitchhiker in a long, Sissy in a long time. I think she's camping, either car battery or Jenny.
Oh, there she is. She might not even come this way, honestly.
Everything's unlocked. Well, not the main gate.
She's over here, though, so... Where's Fuse at?
I don't know where fuse box is.
I thought you opened it.
No, I was looking for it. I grabbed the fuse, but not the fuse box. Oh, wait, I did. I forgot. Pressure gate exit.
Oh, frickin' Nancy. Pressure gate exit, okay. long run.
You're not gonna make it in time. I tried.
Did you jump in
I
that well?
did. Yeah, I jumped in the well.
I know they're still here. They're gonna hear me.
Oh my god, no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I didn't make it.
Gotta keep my eyes peeled. Is this even safe? It's too quiet. Quiet.
That stupid Nancy sense is what's screwing
It's
me over.
crazy. It's crazy.
It's kind of OP, not gonna lie.
But you were in a pretty secluded area where she's like,
So
where's she?
If this Nancy's ever played the game, this Nancy knows. So.
She might think you're in generator room because you were inside.
Want to see a cool move? Check this out. I'm not gonna go for that. Check what I'm gonna do. You're gonna call me crazy, but I have options.
You should try to attempt the gate at least.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Stupid sense, though. Because it's only a matter of time before Nancy catches on and I'm dead, so.
Oh, why'd you stop?
That's why. She opened it and she screwed me over.
Oh, she opened it.
I got it. I got it.
Let go of your fear.
And now I'm going to run directly to the slaughterhouse. I had to take a U-turn. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden.
No health anymore. Oh,
Somehow.
what am I doing? That
I
awkward
don't know.
moment where you're taking detours over and over again.
They could be anywhere.
Something pulled me out.
Watch out for the trigger.
I killed it.
Oh, you killed it. Hit my max out here, huh?
Yeah. Sissy might be cutting me off over here.
At least you get as far as you could. At least if you could open the gate, that's big. Then that means they gotta watch another area, you know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
You could probably get one less killer off of you.
Okay. Now, where's this go?
That chicken. Hate you, chicken.
Unless she thinks that you're at Jenny is in
Yeah. But she can call out, and then they have 3 of them.
separate.
Honestly, I might make it. I think I made it.
I think you made it.
Wow.
That's a good game, bro.
Yeah, man. I'm sad you didn't
impressed.
join me.
Too late, sissy.
Ah.
Too late.
Almost got to me. Yeah.
Jeez, that's a great game, bro.